Hello, y'all on YouTube. This is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today we have a very special unboxing, something that came in, a pre-order that I ordered quite a while ago. And you've seen this before, but this one's mine. So let's take a look. All right, today I'm opening up my box with my loaned knife from Quiet Carry. This is the Catch, one of their new knives that I was allowed to check out. This knife is freaking amazing. Absolutely freaking amazing. Yeah. Check out my unboxing. I'll have a review on it. Yeah, just blown away. All right, so this is from Mr.Mr.Designs. All right, so coming out of Oregon. So let's get into this. You probably know what this is already. You saw I reviewed the prototype. So now we get this. This is my pre-order. He has some cool variants that might still have a few available. I don't know if he's sold out yet as of this video. So if he is, I'm sorry, but if he isn't, I'll definitely have a link. He was going to have a blacked out version. He was going to have a satin finish on one of the blades. And then the one I got was the stonewashed version. Again, this is one of those knives that just blows me away. What do we got in here? All right, what do we got here? Oh, some big Mr. Designs. Oh, sweet. Okay, this is gonna go. I got one of these. I got to keep, but definitely part of future giveaways. That is super cool. We got good bubble wrap, and what do we have in here? Oh, thank you, Rob. Man, appreciate you. Oh, look at some extras. Oh, dude, some cool stickers for swag for giveaways. Oh, I like that one. All right. So there's two stickers. I got to keep two of them. Two of them I got to keep. I got to put them on my wall of stickers. Those are cool. All these other ones will be part of giveaways, but that's super stinking cool. Well, you're welcome. But thank you for letting me check out the knife. I absolutely loved it. So you guys are going to know what this is. This is, here we are. More stickers? Oh my gosh. I love this. That's more stickers. Super cool. That's cool again, man. Dang. All right. So the thing is, I had the prototype. This is not the prototype. This is the production version, and it's my version. This is my knife. And I tell you, when I first got it, you look at this, and some people are going to be like, well, there's some, you may not like certain things about it, but what I love is how it just works. So this jimping right here, and this jimping right, okay, good. That's all the same. I was hoping the one I had was really close to a production run. Beautifully dead nut center, super thin blade. Let's see, is it as good as the one? Ooh, look at that nice, super thin, super nice, generous blade. You'll see S90V over there. Ooh, that's a little different. I like that. The font is a little easier to read on that one than the one on the prototype. Matter of fact, it might have said prototype. That's why it's different. But the Mr. Design. Oh, look at that edge. Okay, let's see. I gotta check the edge out here. Beautifully even all the way. Well, that's a nice sharp edge too. Okay, so look in here. Beautiful milling. This is an inset liner lock that's actually attached on the inset of this here. Beautiful milling. The texture on here. Now, what it is you've got this cutaway. Beautiful axis. So look at that. Beautiful axis. And oh, yes. Now, it's such a light blade that I drop it and it doesn't get you, right? So when it comes down, it's so light that you're okay. And that flipper is so beautiful. Beautiful jimping, works all the way to the edge. You just got to put your finger on there and boom, there you are. Right? So it works really nicely. And you clear the detent right there. So once you clear, like let me do that again. I could literally come up here and catch it right there, right? So I could do this and right there, and then I'm good. Do left-handed, beautiful. Now I will probably try to put skiffs in this thing. Does it need skiffs? No. Do I like to put skiffs in? Oh, of course. You know me, of course. All right. Oh yeah, that is as good as the prototype. Maybe a little bit better. Beautiful chamfering all the way around. That's all the same. The jimping is excellent, outstanding all the way to the edge. Nicely chamfered there with beautiful texture. And that texture works when okay, so one of the things that I always worry about when you don't have a finger guard, like even on this knife, there's a little finger guard. There's an angle I can squeeze in. I have to clear that cut. And when I'm pulling down, that's a pressure that's going to cause a vertical or a 45-degree angle resistant force. So my hand's not going to slip up over the blade, right? Sometimes you have a full finger guard in some of these knives. Like if I look at this is like even almost like a full finger guard right there, right? Again, quality of knife I think is comparable, but this is made by Best Tech. This is made, I would say comparable. With all due respect, it's a great knife. It is a $300 knife. This is close to a $400 knife, and it's made in Taiwan. And so I just, you're paying for extra premium there, right? You pay an extra 100, maybe almost 150, $200 for some of that. But for the price of what I paid for this is an incredibly insane deal. I love this. Beautiful thin texture on here. And so when I get up here, this texture, my hand's not going to slip. I squeeze on this, I am locked in there. It is not only beautifully aesthetic and pleasing in the flow of the lines, right? And even here in the clip, because what's nice about that, when I'm over here, I can hold that right there, and my thumb, my hand's not going to slip, but all this texture, I feel like I've got good control of the knife. I'm not going to lose it, right? I will tell you this: the action on this one's even better than the prototype. I am thoroughly impressed by that. Really am. That's nice. And I'm feeling I put skiffs in there. I'm going to feel this like uber buttery smooth. Wow. 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 Very nice. All right. All right. This is very, very cool. All right. So I know you saw this already, but we're going to zoom in because some of you guys are like, okay, he had a drop. Might have more available at some point. Do I want one of these now that it's available, and probably have more available at some point? So here we are. And I suspect he'll probably sell, you might even see these at some retailers at some point. Beautiful little oil, brand new, right? So you got this beautiful, beautiful texture right here. And it's close to like jimping, and you lock yourself in there, which is really nice. The beautiful cutaway, inset liner lock. I don't know if you can see that. And then there's really wonderful weight relief in there. You can definitely see that. And there's the clip, nice in and out. Does have good flexibility. It is a relatively, I'm going to close this real quick, relatively deep pocket carry. You're about right there, almost completely deep. I love the texturing on here. It is not reversible, but that's okay. No hardware on one side. Completely looks like a pen, whatever. I mean, you could put this down on the desk. Most people wouldn't know what it is, right? And then here is the flipper, and it looks so small, but because the pivot is right there and you're flipping up here, the leverage to deploy that blade, you have the physics on your side, right? So when I flick it, it's beautifully disengaged, right? So let me do it again. Absolutely beautifully disengaged. I love that. All right, so we have chamfering all the way around, go all the way back here, nice and round, no sharpness here, no sharpness here, all the way around over here, up here. Now this is the jimping that's up here, and that is function. Okay, the jimping on the prototype wasn't as good. This is better. This is better. It locks in. The one on the prototype, I felt like it was slipping off, if I remember correctly. If I'm thinking of the right knife, this is really good. This is solid, nice. All right, I still love the cutaway right there. That's really, really nice. Super thin blade, super slicey. I love that. And let's go ahead and close it. Let's listen to that detent while we're here. Ready? Nice clickety. Now, I'm going to try to push on this. Yeah, there's no blade play, and no pivot lash, no blade rock. We're engaged right there. We're good. I want to say 50% right there, locked in. And I'm looking. Is this? I think it's a steel bar, right? Yeah, it's a steel bar. So steel bar is engaging. So it's steel on steel, which is exactly what you want. So that's nice. You're not going to have to worry about crazy lock stick or anything like that. So, and then just close it, and the action is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And this is two-piece sandwich construction. There's no standoffs, no backspacer. This one piece comes across, attaches over here. So the milling tolerances to get that together is really going to be important, and they executed it well. It looks very seamless. Can you see that? Very seamless. I love that. Come on, focus. There we go. So really, really nice all the way around. All right, so let's zoom out. Get a little money shot here. This is my baby. This is not the prototype now. This is my knife, which I just feel like this knife has the potential to rock people's world. I really do. I know that's kind of crazy, but I was so blown away by this. I still am. And I love the action on here. So look at this right here. Beautiful. The flipping. I literally sat at the couch. I was flipping this for like 2 hours straight. And so just putting my finger on there, my finger. I didn't get tired. Like it wasn't one spot I could only do. And then after a while, it was like all tender and raw. I mean, you can kind of move your finger all the way around. It's such a light blade. You don't have to worry about it guillotining your hands. When it comes down, it does stop like right there. To me, I would feel like, would I have a problem with it? I don't. I actually don't. And I'm sure when I put the skiffs in here, it's going to be a little more, I can tighten it to be a little more control shut. Right now, it is a little fast. It was a lot faster than the prototype. I love it. I think it's great. I do like the tuning. Tuning is really nice, especially for a flipper like that. Oh yeah, that's just outstanding. All right. Very cool. That was the unboxing of a pre-order that we did the prototype. I just wanted to share with you the production version. And I will tell you everything that I thought about, it's good. It's they knocked it out. Mr. Designs, appreciate you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Outstanding. Thank you for the stickers. I will definitely be doing some of those for the Goat giveaways. Absolutely 100%. I'm going to keep one of them because it's so cool. It's going to go on my wall of stickers behind me. It's usually my backdrop for my channel. So I'd like to amend that and have all the various stickers I get out there for all the different knives. It's just gives me a little history of all the things I get to experience. So yeah, I love the stone washed. I'm pretty sure the satin would be really nice, and that's kind of premium. And then the all blacked out version would be really cool too. All right, hey, if you found this content fun, interesting, worthwhile, or informative, would you please consider hitting the like button down below? And if you've already hit that like button, would you please consider hitting the subscribe button? Subscribing and liking the channel really helps me out. It allows me to do more things. Ultimately do more things for you guys. So thank you. Thank you to everyone who watches the videos, who likes the videos, who enjoys the content, who comments, who's part of the live stream, who's just part of the whole community. Thank you. Seriously, thank you. If you haven't already, maybe also hit that notification button down here below so you can be notified of future content like this and other videos. And a big shout out, thank you to all my channel members out there. You are a huge part of this channel because you do two very important things for me. And so I have two very important things I do for you. First, you encourage me. I don't do this full-time. I'm part-time, right? I have a full-time job. So the channel members being so generous in their membership, you support me. You literally, you motivate me. And I mean by that, you support me, you motivate me to keep going. Not that I ever really want to give up, because I love this. I love everything about knives, but there's sometimes you're like, I want to take a little break. But you guys are always there encouraging me. So thank you. Thank you for that. I really appreciate that. Second of all, because of your generosity with the memberships, you allow me to check out things way sooner than ever I thought I could. I got a chance to check out the Mr. Designs to help cover, and help me with the shipping, to be able to ship it, pass it along. I have knives that have been borrowed. I mean, this is a loaner from Quiet Carry, which is super amazing, allowing me to check this out. I will be buying this one, but again, I got to ship this back. So thank you, channel members. You guys help me do that. You also allow me to do like the once a week, weekly, regular giveaway. I do that for everybody. If it wasn't for you, there's no way I could do a giveaway every week. So thank you. And as a result of all of that, I do two exclusive things for you channel members, right? One, I do a once a month members exclusive giveaway. It's definitely a step above the budget banger giveaway. I love to give away every week. So it's usually a nicer knife, right? And so I want to make sure it's something you guys maybe would like to get or even get to give or something. So I do that once a month for all my members. My way, as you're generous to me, I want to be generous back to you. And it's my way to say thank you. The other thing is every channel member, usually it's brand new channel members, but it could be anybody else. The only stipulation I have is you're currently a member, you've never gotten a channel sticker, you asked one and you never gotten a channel sticker, right? So if you've never gotten a channel member sticker or channel sticker and you're an active member right now, email me with your name and address. I'd love to mail you a channel sticker and a little thank you note to say I appreciate you being channel members. That's for brand new channel members. Typically, that's usually who it is. But it could be a channel member who's been a member all along and never asked. It could also be someone who was a channel member and then became a channel member again, right? As long as you're an active channel member right now, I'd love for you to email me. I'd love to send you a channel sticker. I'd love to send you a little note to say thank you. So thank you, every one of you guys out there. I do appreciate you. I appreciate everyone who watches the content, who's part of the channel, who likes the videos, who comments. I really look forward to those comments. It's been crazy with year end and Christmas and all the things been going on. It's been a little harder for me to keep up with the comments, but I try. Hopefully we're getting into a little stretch where I can stay a little better on top of it. I do have a couple seniors about to graduate, doing a lot of things. So just keep that in mind. Be patient with me, but I appreciate the comments because I love talking to you guys. So thank you. Hey, if you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Again, that's on Instagram at robs_nerdy_knives. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day and a great week.